debut box. Here we go. Topps Finest, guys. First ever natin mag-open. 2 autos per box. Good luck. Let's go. Deep naman itong box. Debut box. Meron lahat ng box Finest. 4, 6, and box. 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Touch dito. Paano ako nilagay touch dito? Ay, here we go. Debut na natin Topps Finest. Here we go. Congrats, bro. Cool yun, congrats. Here we go, D-Book. Yun yung old spill natin. Yan. D-Book, Jalen Williams, Jamal Murray, Donovan Mitchell. Grab deal, gawin na. Johnny Broom, RC. Okay. So, ano numbered ba ito? Hindi, oil spill nga lang. Oil spill, Amen Thompson. Yep. Base. Rare pala ito, rare. Okay. Numbered 58 out of 75, Amen Thompson. For the Houston Rockets, Boss Marvin. Ito pala ang oil spill. Okay. Andrew Nembhard. Okay. Tapos, Muse. For Carmelo Anthony, New York Knicks, Boss ACL. And, I think numbered to. Numbered to. Pakita na natin. Arrivals. Jeremiah Fierce. Yep, enter card from. Ano ito? Arrivals. Jeremiah Fierce for NOP, Boss ACL naman. Okay, ito naman Muse. Carmelo Anthony. Yun ang SSP. Ito lang siya. Tapos ito. Andrew Nembhard, oil spill to. Common. Okay. Is there 2 autos? So, dito tapos na gabi. Pwede tayo makuha ng card. Amen Thompson, out of 75. Okay, next. Consolidation. Ito mawala ko. Ngayon, gabi. Okay, game. Dejounte Murray, Jordan, Thomas Sorber. Kawhi. Leonard, I think it's a good na. CMB. Uncommon. Tapos uncommon. Ito. Okay. Ito uncommon na Kawhi. Saka lang ano to, autograph. Or numbered. Hindi ba ito numbered? Pero this is for Evan Mobley. Tapos, oil spill ulit. Bilal Coulibaly. Oil spill uncommon to. Ano pinagkaiba niya dito? Tapos, arrivals. Thomas Sorber and Drake Powell. Silver arrivals. For Brooklyn Nets, boss, CJN. Sorry, medyo magalang yung boss. Thomas Sorber, silver to. Ito, firecracker to base. Ito ko naman pinagkaiba nito. Dito. Uncommon to, oil spill. Oh, okay. Ang pala yun. So, magka-insert siya na parallel. Okay. Ito, oil spill. Ito, oil spill. Ito, uncommon base. Okay. Exact. Wemby, and first Wemby base. Wemby, Alpi, Kai Hag, Josh Gay. Ito muna, Maxime Leonard. Tapos, uncommon Clarkson. Dito na mag-autograph na. Diba? Or I think numbered. Yup, numbered. Kung natin numbered, tsaka ating box yan sa dulo. Ang weird numbered, tas oil spill. Ba't yun ang oil spill bago numbered? Oil spill natin tayo, Maxi. Arrivals. DQ. Ayup, back-to-back NOP, Boss ACL, and Muse. Peja Stojakovic. Refractor Muse for Boss. Sack. Boss Nick. Ito natin Boss Nick. Peja Stojakovic yan. Ito DQ Arrivals, NOP. Tapos time oil spill. Now enough community box. Ano year box? 25 box. Maraming boxes. Here we go. Next box. Next box. Grabe. Autograph natin. Doon lang ng Steve Paxson. Ito natin isa. Jalen Bronson. Come on, Malawatch. BJ Edgecombe, RC. May uncommon na RC. Wow, okay. Brandon Miller. Amen Thompson. Ito muna. Uncommon. Sadden year. Autograph na nga yan. Okay. Amen Thompson. Numbered ba ito ulit? I think numbered ito ulit. Tabi na natin. Numbered nga ito ulit. Sa likod. Refractor. Cam Thomas on the uncommon. Finest. Nolan Trior. And I think autograph na nga ito. Yup, autograph na. That's a sick auto though. So we have 3 autographs. Ito yung mga Nolan Trior. First. Nolan na BJ Mercy. Solid. Second last pack. Second last pack. James Harden, Tyler Hero, Naz Reid. Cooper Flag! Yan na, on the base. Kasparas. Numbered ulit to. Sa likod mo na. Uncommon, Tyler Hero. Numbered ulit to eh. Tabi lang natin yung maayos. Okay, and Refractor Pascal Siakam. Muse natin. KG for Boston. Autograph nga. Tabi natin. AJ News. For Boston Celtics, boss DJ. Congrats. Pascal on the refractor. Tapos, super flag on the base. May base flag na sa boss Mochi. Hashtag. Ito is nakakanda ko kayo natin. Scotty Barnes, Giannis, Darius Garland, Lloyd Martin, Zach LaVine. Numbered ba ito ulit? Hindi naman numbered, pero Magic Johnson on the uncommon for Boss L to the BJ. Oil spill natin. Thomas Sorber, oil spill. Likod muna. Uncommon Cade. Ito, finishers. Anthony Edwards for Minnesota Timberwolves, Boss Jonathan T. And our last card is an arrival. Hugo Gonzalez, 2 out of 150 for Boston. Boss. BJ, congrats. Finishers, Ants. Tapos, Thomas Sorber, oil spill. Tapos, Magic Johnson. Okay, what's the number? This is a... I think ito yung pares tayo dito, out of 75. And this is for Zach LaVine, 139 out of 150. Uncommon to. Tapos ito common na numbered. Okay. 139 out of 150 for Sacramento Kings, Boss Nick. Congrats. Ito naman, second numbered natin. I think base card. Autograph pa ito. Base card lang. Uncommon blue is numbered to 254. Lauri Markkanen for the Utah Jazz. Boss. Utah. Boss AR-15. Congrats. Ay, solid ah. Ito naman. Base din ata to. Yup, base na number 2. And this is for... LaMelo Ball out of 350. 160 out of 350. Solid. For Boss Gabby. Dito naman tayo. Our auto for Topps Finest. First autograph natin for Topps Finest is a rookie. Rookie autograph. Lord, please. Lord, please, bigyan mo akong Cooper Flag. Bigyan mo akong Cooper Flag. Bigyan mo akong Cooper Flag. CMB! Not bad! Toronto Raptors, it is a sticker auto nga lang. But not bad. Refractors. CMB for Toronto Raptors. Boss LSD. Sakto. Unang basa ko sa comment mo. Alat ng dinosaurs tonight. Ano to, boss? Bossing! Ano? Sabi sa'yo, huwag kang mawalan pag-asa eh. CMB Rookie Auto Refractor. Not bad. Ganda ng auto na yan. And this is our last autograph for our Milestone 300, guys. Thank you sa support. Thank you sa fast fill. Simulan natin ang milestone. Our road to 400. Bukas. Drop tayo. Ito yan. That is a Kaboom Mixer. Dito. Kaboom Mixer yan. 3 Revo Blaster, 2 Topps Chrome Blaster, 1 Topps Flagship Blaster. Para makakapag-kaboom na tayo ulit. So here we go. Our last auto for Milestone 300 is... Shit, Lakers. Fuck, pag ito naglabron talaga. This is for... Pau Gasol! Damn! Baseline autograph, 37 out of 50 for Boss L to the BJ. Ganda ng pirma niya, Pau L. Ganda! Pau Gasol for Boss L to the BJ. Congrats, our last auto for tonight's break. 37 out of 50. Out of 50 pa na auto. Grabe, not bad. Not a bad break.